Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jules and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. Today is the first time we see our program, but here we'll bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. I get statistics where they come outside where they let us know say Emirates don dey turn to fortress with small things wey dey happen there, because for all the matches wey we don play for Emirates this season na only one game we don lose, and that one game we lose na against Chelsea we lose, and any other person wey visit us for Emirates either they go collect or we go draw with small draw. So na so e just dey happen. So we dey very happy with the way we don turn Emirates for our fortress, and wetin make this thing be like that na because of the newfound partnership between our centre backs and the 4 people wey dey for back, including Aaron Ramsdale. Na this people come make that place turn to fortress, even though the people wey dey for front sef dey come back on defense. So we dey very happy say anybody wey come Emirates no fit win us easily. At the same time, our monitoring spirit wey dem dey call Calcio Mercato don come outside dey let us know say Arsenal na favourites to sign Dejan Kulusevski from Juventus, and Juventus don talk say wetin dem need na £30 million, and wetin make dis news dey legit be say we dey hear say Arsenal don meet Federico Cherubini wey be the sporting director of Juventus. So dem don reason, dem don talk, so dem don agree say dem go sell the guy to us for January. Well, we no fit wait for January to come. January na how many months? Only 1 month and some days. We go enter January, we go know whether the guy go run come join us, because the guy na a Swedish player, because the guy don dey surplus to requirements there. He no dey play plenty, so I can't wait to have the guy. The guy sef good. Arsenal fans all over social media don come outside dey praise Tomiyasu for the way he take play against Newcastle, and the way we say the guy don make that right back very strong. We say before he go even beat am, e go dey very hard. No be like before we dey get those kind maybe Callum Chambers or Cedric Suarez or maybe Bellerin for that position. Say they no really dey play very well. So that is why they dey happy with the guy don solidify that area. Fine, the guy no too dey offer many things going forward, but in defensive duty dey very paramount for am. And if you watch that Newcastle game, the guy throw one kind key pass wey make Martinelli just snap am enter Bruscava, wetin dem call that keeper name, Russian keeper. So the thing just enter the keeper net. So we dey very happy with the guy, make him continue to do wetin dey do. At the same time, Mike Carrick also don turn pundits come outside dey talk for pundit duty say Tavares na very nice player. Say like the way the guy dey bomb go forward again. Say defensively and attacking wise, the guy dey very good. I don't know how Arsenal take go get this guy from Benfica. Whether na £7 million or £8 million they buy this guy, say they very happy with the guy development. And for the guy to come dey keep Tierney for Benjamin, that is very surprising and mind blowing. Like, who would have thought of this? Nobody ever think and say one day Tierney go dey for Benjamin, when go dey fit or no injury, they'll just keep am for Benjamin, saying that this small boy Tavares na go dey play. Say the thing shock everybody. At the same time, our monitoring spirits dey let us know say Arsenal don submit €7.5 million bid for Lani Stoica, even though Gigi Becali don come outside talk say that money dey too small. He don admit say yes, and dem receive bid from Arsenal, but the money is too small. So wetin dem dey expect na that kind €10 million and above, and at the same time they need 20% sell-on fee. They go add am for the contract, say even if Arsenal buy the guy, so maybe in the future Arsenal come sell am for a lofty sum, so they will get 20% of the money. So now wetin he say go add for the contract now, e dey subject to Arsenal's agreement. So Arsenal go agree say okay, no yawa, we go agree with you. Well, when they watch everything in January, we will get the clearer picture of the deal. I get another news about Bukayo Saka wey dey run around social media. You know say when Saka score that goal, Saka come do that tribute to Mesut Ozil wey put am for mouth, come do that Ozil sign. So people come talk say e be like say Saka dey miss Ozil, abi whether Ozil na one of the influencers for him life. So they don't know, but as he come score, he come dey emulate Ozil, like they pay homage to Ozil. So nobody know wetin he really mean by that one. They never come out for media setting make them ask am. So now everybody just dey speculate say wetin he mean. So me sef I dey ask una wetin he mean. Una know wetin he mean. Make una tell me. A lot of people dey ask me yesterday say wetin make I come dey I no post for our GFL TV now. Say na YouTube link, and they no even see the video. See for that GFL TV, that link wey I post, just click on the title, it go take you go our YouTube page, you go watch the video. Like I post yesterday, maybe some of una never see am. Facebook give us 3 days ban, temporary ban. say somebody talk say I post one of a video say na copyright infringement, and they no even ask me, they don already delete the video, they come give me punishment say I go dey out for 3 days again. That's why we dey post for our YouTube community, come dey share the link. I no dey post directly for Facebook, na share I just dey share, make I no go aggravate their sanction, make dem no go give me lengthy sanction, because that kind thing I know somebody don do before. They go give you small sanction, you come go dare them, come go post more. I know say that thing na automatic, na computer dey do that thing, no thing na human being give me that sanction, because I no post anybody video, na my face dey there auto, which I don't ever post anybody content for my video, so that be the thing. So that is why we dey post for YouTube. So now for 3 days, I think on Tuesday night e go end. So from Tuesday I'll come resume my normal posting. So maybe una use this opportunity to join our YouTube community if una never join am, so na so e just be. Martin Keown don come outside, come dey give one kind warning. So this one wey be say Arteta dey ask Wenger, say make Wenger come back to Arsenal, say dem miss am, make all dey give am some kind advisory role, talk one thing. So Baba come dey talk say if Wenger come, e fit dey disastrous, because Wenger fit come dey undermine Arteta authority, say e no go make sense. So you wey dey call Wenger, make you no go call somebody who come lead to your downfall. So make you dey very very careful. I don't know whether I dey see this thing from the way Baba dey see am. So wetin Baba dey talk with that too. At the same time, your right come outside, come dey also praise to me, as to say almost since when dem sign this guy, this guy dey hard to beat for that right back. Say dey very very happy with our recruitment method. Where they get this guy? Who know this guy from Bologna now? But now he don come for Arsenal. Everybody don dey happy for am. We don raise am to one kind pedestal, put am on limelight. People come dey see am, come dey notice the kind of player wey he be. And the guy na Japanese player, because many people dey talk say Asian players they are short. But this guy is above 6 feet tall. So we are very happy with him. Thank God say no sign for Tottenham Hotspur, so he come choose us last. You're right, don't stop there. You're right, when they criticize Aubameyang, people say that Aubameyang's miss is unforgivable. That how can you do that? Who does that? Like empty post, for crying out loud, keeper dey for ground, defender dey inside net, just you and empty post, see you, post net, you can't tell say na bar. Shey una know say to hit bar it is harder than to score, because bar dey for corner. Oh God, that day as the guy play that I just shout Jesus, and I don't know how the thing dey do me, but like say make I just start punch Aubameyang. So Baba sef don come outside come dey talk say wetin he do, e dey unforgivable, but no our fans gats forgive am, because this guy once upon a time na our hero him be o. Even though he don flop, he don turn to shit backer now, but once upon a time he still try for us. So we'll just forgive am sha. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today na the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there, toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. Have a nice day. Happy Monday.